Alright, what's up everyone? Today we are actually going to work on the engine. We've already finished overhauling it and we will give you the details on the description as well. So now we've already installed the spark plugs. We will install the clutch kit on it and the wire harness and everything. Got this engine right here, the harness, the clutch, got our tools, got some other things also, they're already in this box, headers, and the rest of the stuff. So yeah, let's get started on it. Alright guys, so now we've completed installing the clutch kit, also the wiring harness, but we're just gathering some bolts and nuts, whatever is there, like these. Also we've installed the alternator mounting. So yeah, we've plugged almost all of the sensors, the harnesses and their sensors, almost everything. So yeah, we're now going to take a little break from this. I'm gonna get something to eat and then we will find out how we can install the vacuum pump or the brake on its place, and also with the oil feed for the pump itself, where it will go from there up until this bolt here, because now we need to run this pump on a manual transmission BRZ, so we can get full control for the brake. We will not face any issues, especially when the car is running on the boost and you want to hit the brake. You don't have to wait for the blow-off valve or whatever it is. You just hit the brake. You can left foot brake while you're throttling the car. So yeah, we're going to take some break now. So who's this? Darwish. Sohail is here. And Saad also, that's all. So we've already installed the intake manifold with the fuel rail and the port injection, and we've got only these wiring harness for the injectors. We will just change them. Anyways, so we've reached at this point. We'll get working on the harness, and then we'll bring the car here. Anyways, all right, Mr. Sohail. So we brought the car from the back. We brought it on the jack, on the two-post lift, so we can finish up the engine, install it on the car, and I guess we can take it out from here and do the rest of the work. This guy's happy now. Alright guys, so I forgot today to bring my mic, but we've already installed the engine. We are actually facing a tiny bit an issue of closing in the engine from on top, so we need to wiggle the transmission. After we wiggle in the transmission, we will get it all installed. We will install the new thermostat and the alternator, compressor already we've installed. We've changed the transmission fluid, as well as we've actually rebuilt the differential with the 3:9 ratio from 4:3. It used to be 4.3 2:1 differential ratio. Now it's 3.909. So I guess it will be a very unique setup on this car. This is the second differential we're using on the BRZ with the 3.909, and hopefully we get it started very soon. So we'll get the car done. We have to install the starter because we couldn't take up the wires from it, so we just kept it like this. So yeah, I guess our work wasn't that much efficient, but it was something. Alright, so we've already mounted everything. We've built also the transmission, and look how he stands. Anyways, so this is what we're doing now, and we've got the owner of the garage here. He doesn't want to be in the video. So why you don't want to be in the video? Ask the owner why you paint this yellow color. Why you paint this part yellow color? You cannot hear? So yeah, we're going to finish up the remaining nuts for the transmission, tight all the bolts, and then we will install the turbo manifold. We'll do some measurements for the oil cooler, as we already installed the water pump for the wiper water pump, and its tank was provided by Verus Engineering. Thanks for Verus Engineering to provide us this excellent production of theirs. So I guess, yeah. Alright guys, so we finished installing the low temperature thermostat and the turbo manifold with the wastegate. So we've got a few more things to do, where we need to make a new oil drain line from the turbo, and we will install the turbo as well. No turbo? So yeah, and the intercooler as well. So for now, I guess it's the best thing. Now we will lower the car down, because we finished everything from underneath except the downpipe, the turbo downpipe. So we will install it later on, hopefully. And I guess yeah, this is about it for today, and we will continue tomorrow, since I've got work tomorrow morning and I have plenty to do. So yeah. So yep, we'll continue tomorrow. So guys, we've installed the turbo manifold as we've said, and we've got all of the plumbing, the oil feed, the oil return, and the water plumbing as well. We've installed almost everything. We've took this pipe for the catch can from underneath the compressor from that PCV fitting, and this is the other one, which is from right over here below the intake manifold. And for now, we've completed almost everything. We've installed also the fan shroud and the radiator hoses on both sides. So I guess we've got some few more touch-ups. We will be continuing this by tomorrow, and we'll get the car hopefully started. Alright guys, so everything is almost done. We're just tightening up the cooler pipes. We've got this one here remaining. We'll fix it up. Don't tighten it now, just wait for me. We've installed almost everything. The Boost Solenoid, vacuum distributor, and we've made this stopper here just for a temporary basis. Yeah, I forgot to mention that we've painted the intake manifold. This is the aluminum. We painted it black so it won't be that aggressive. I don't know why this is yellow and this is yellow, but I would definitely paint this one back to factory, and this I'll keep it black as well, OEM. So yeah, we will just put the fuel line on a bucket or something, and we'll give it some pumps, and after that we will install it here. We'll add some oil, prime it, I guess. Alaikum salam wa rahmatullah. Alhamdulillah, yak. And I guess, yeah, that's about it. Alright, so we've run into an issue where we've got the direct injection leakage, as well as with the fuel line. It was leaking here. So now we've changed the direct injectors, as well as with this side of a free rail. Now we're going to install everything back and give it a test again. Alright, so we got the car started. We're waiting for it to reach the normal temperature, then we'll just change the oil and see and make sure if the sound goes away or not. We're hoping that this is the ring piston, because it's a newly rebuilt engine, and this is our first experience on a rebuilt engine. So I guess, yeah, we'll see. Alright, now that the sound of the engine that we were talking about, we were just waiting for it to heat up, as well as we had to change the grade of the oil. We brought this Castrol oil, and now that the sound has already disappeared, now he's trying to install everything back so we can take the car for a car wash. I don't know what we will do about this mirror cap, but we'll just cover it for a temporary base for the car wash. So yeah, I guess this is it. We'll have to break in the engine for some time, and we'll see how it performs on the dyno. Alright, now that we've installed almost everything, well actually we've installed everything: the catch can, strut towers, the front bumper, everything, and we'll take the car for a car wash, break in the engine as I said, and yeah, I guess that's it. Until later, we will be installing the oil cooler, and we will relocate it because we've already installed the washer fluid tank. I don't know if it's visible from here. I think from here you can see it. It's from the Verus. I've showed you before. Now I think only we've got this pipe here remaining. We'll install this one and we'll hit the road. Alright, now that we've taken the car, but we've run into a small issue where the tire has lost pressure. So we'll fill it up here in the gas station, and then we'll take it to the car wash. I've been talking about the car wash for a really long time now. So yeah. Alright, now Ali is going to fill this tire up. See, we don't know what has gone into this. And yeah, this is how it sounds now. Look at that rumble. Wow. What the hell are you doing? Hang on a second, hang on a second. Go.
Come on.
Alright, he's going to fill it up. And we'll leave it from here. Alright, now that we've done filling up with the tires, we have new friends here. This one looks good. Clean. Say hello. And this one also. Say hello. Say hello. Here's the one. Alright. Enough fun. Where is this guy? What the? This is weird. It's actually weird. Alright, now it's gone to 22. Alright, so now we're washing the car. Damn. 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 Alright, so yeah, we're gonna get the car cleaned, get some video shots, and we're waiting for our friends to bring back the mirrors. We send them for carbon fiber skinning. So yeah, they're almost done. We just need to put new clear coat on it. That's it. Alright, so now we're here. Anyways, so we're here, and currently we're monitoring the temperatures of the vehicle, the intake temperature, the AFR, almost everything, because we haven't changed anything on the tune, and the durability is actually smooth and normal. So yeah, we're taking it for a little spin, so we can cover more mileage on it. And it's boring. So yeah, this is how it actually looks like. And by the way, we have rebuilt the differential.
Yeah.
With what ratio I said?
39.
3.909. So now he's at 90, and this is his RPM on the 6th gear. So it's good. Okay, good.